everybody, Darcy from Boy Mom Crochet Life here, and today I'm going to show you how to do the stitch that I used for this cute little Santa's beard and for his little hair under here. Now, I was not able to find it in any searching to see, if it was like some sort of puff stitch or popcorn stitch or anything, so I just kind of made it what worked for me, and I called it the hair stitch in the pattern. So I'm going to show you how to do what I call the hair stitch. So I have some yarn. It's just some, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. It's white, just like I used on little Santa over there. And I have a clover crochet hook in 4.5 millimeter. And to do this, you don't have to do any sort of specific number of chains. Any number of chains will work. So I'm just going to do, I think, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 to go on for a turning chain. And now this first row, we're just going to single crochet. I like to do it in this back bump just because you get a neater edge and it's a lot easier to sew on, especially for like the hair and the beard there. Okay, now that we have our first row of single crochet, you just chain 1 and turn. And now we will do what I call the hair stitch. So insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 like you chain it, and you're just going to do that 2 more times. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4. And you just do that on down the line. So here we'll do it again together. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. Insert again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, insert in the same stitch 1 more time, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4. And you see, you can't really see the texture so much on this side because this is going to be your back side, but here on this front side, it's got like a nice little bulge to it now. And as you add more onto it, it kind of pushes them more together and gives you that texture that we're looking for. So one last time, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, into the same stitch 1 more time, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 4. And you're just going to work that all the way to the end, and I will do that so I can show you what it looks like when you're completely done. And there we have 10 little puff stitches, or sorry, hair stitches is what I've been calling them. Yep. And my starting chain was a little bit tight, so it's definitely curving a lot more than it normally would be. But it does have some curve to it because you're getting all of this great texture on this side, and it's pushing everything in between. Sorry. And it looks just like a little Santa Claus beard. He's just got a nice little texture to his beard, like little curls. But of course, curls are kind of hard to do in crochet, at least as far as I know. And it's kind of like he's got the same texture of hair. So that is how you do Santa's hair stitch. Thanks for watching. To find the pattern for this Santa, you can check out my blog at boymomcrochetlife.com or find the link in the description down below, and it'll take you straight to the pattern for this little guy.